Fine. So now today, children, as you all know that today is our phonics class, right? But in the last previous class, do you remember what we have learned? कौन सा sound हमने learn किया था? Which was the sound? Just type in the chat box. Let me see how many of showing writing the correct sound. Which sound we learned in the last class? Do you remember? Let me check the chat box. Yes, yes. No, it was not g sound. Paris, on mute. Okay, yes, it was j sound. It was j sound. Okay, now we are going to revise that j sound. Okay, so what I want all of you to do is remove your notebook, or even you can write in the chat box also. But it will be better if you will remove your notebook and you will write. Okay, so I'm going to say some words and you will write those words. जो j sound के words हमने सीखे थे, that I'm going to say, and you will write in your notebook. Okay, so first word is job. 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 You can also use chat box. Job. Very good, Rizwan. I can see many of you are giving a correct response. Job, Kritika. Don't speak. Don't speak. Don't unmute yourself and speak. Job. Job. Next word. Jet. 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 Okay. Good job, Kritika. Rizwan, so quick to respond, huh? Rajan, Rudra, Pari. Good. Now the third word is, which we learned, jam. 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 Good Aryan, good Nandan, good Pari, good Sumoji, good Rizwan. Very good. Okay. And the last word is jog. 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 Good job, Aryan, Shlok, Rudra, Himanshu, Kritika, Nandan, Rizwan. Very good. Very good. I'm clapping hands for you all. You all can tap your back. Okay. Good job. So now this was about j sound, okay? So now any guesses at which new sound we are going to learn today? Any guesses? कोई guess कर सकता है आज दीदी हमें कौन सा नया sound सिखाएगी? Okay. Yes, Mahi. Yes, Mahi.
J sound.
j sound तो हुआ. j sound तो हुआ. Which is a new sound Didi is going to teach?
K. Go. Go.
Okay. You all are breaking the rules now, okay? Which I don't like. So now Didi is going to teach you. Didi is going to share the screen, okay? And then Didi will tag someone and will ask, which is that sound? Okay. Now, yes. Will tag Chaitanya. Chaitanya, बताओ मुझे which is this sound? Sound, no?
I.
It's not
E.
I.
E.
It's not I. No?
L. E.
What is
L. L.
means what? What is the sound of L?
L. L.
Very good. Very good. Now be
Ma'am, lo.
yes, it's la. Now be on mute. Yes. So now, children, this is la sound. What is this? La. Okay, you all will be on mute. सब लोग mute पे रहेंगे and you will just repeat what DJ is saying. La. Say. La. Be on mute and say. I am seeing your lip reading. La.
हो गया.
हो गया? Okay. ठीक है. Now let's read the first CVC word of la sound. Okay.
Lo.
Okay. So I'm going to tag someone and that child will speak. Om. Om Chavan. Om Chavan. What is this first?
Lad.
Very good. Om will speak. Others will not speak in middle children. Okay. It is la-a-d. Lad. You can write in your notebook, children. Whatever you are seeing on the screen.
Lad.
D. Lad. Lad yani ladka. Okay. Lad yani ladka. You can see a picture of a boy. Okay. So it's a boy. La-a-d. Lad. L-E-G. Leg. What is the second picture? L-E.
Leg. Leg.
Leg. Leg. Leg. Okay, done?
Leg. Leg, Didi.
Yes, leg. Now the next is la. Who will read this? Kritika. Which is this? What is
Leg.
Kritika will read, huh? Only Kritika will read. Very good, Kritika. Others will be on.
Lid.
Yes, it is la-e-d. Lid. La-e-d. Lid. Lid yani ढक्कन.
Leader.
Lead. Lead यानी ढक्कन. हम जो ढक्कन रखते हैं.
Lead.
Lead. Okay. The next is Pari, can you read this for us?
Log.
Pari?
Log.
Very good.
Log.
Very good. It is log. Log. It is log. Log. See how it sounds. Log. Log. Okay. Log means what? एक जो हमारा बड़ा ट्री रहता है तो ट्री के जो एक पार्ट रहता है, पार्ट इन द सेंस ट्री का जो टुकड़ा रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लॉग. ओके, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? लॉग.
दीदी लकड़ी.
यस, लकड़ी. लकड़ी मीन्स वुड. ओके, बट जो बड़ा है उसका एक जो काटा हुआ पार्ट रहता है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लॉग. A big tree which we cut and keep, that is called as log. Okay, the next is Khatija. Khatija, what is this word? Khatija.
Lab.
Very good, very good. It is
lab.
Don't shout in the middle, children. It is lab. Lab. Lab means
lab.
so lab means what, children? You know, a lab is a place where some tests are done, some research is done, some experiments are done. ठीक है? लैब में जाते हैं ना, जब हम ब्लड टेस्ट करते हैं तो वो लैब में जाता है फॉर टेस्ट, फॉर टेस्टिंग के लिए. यू कैन सी इन द
लैब में हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं ना दीदी.
क्या बेटा? बोलो बोलो.
लैब में हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं ना.
यस, वेरी गुड. लैब में हम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं, नए नए एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, कुछ रिसर्च करते हैं, कुछ टेस्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लैब.
मशीन बनाते हैं दीदी.
Yes, yes. Good job, children. You know so well. Okay, now be on mute. Okay, now next word is L-E-D. Lead. L-E-D.
लेड.
Lead.
बोल दी ना.
L-E-D. Lead. लेड मतलब किसी चीज का हम उसको लीड करना, मतलब उसको जैसे हमारे है ना कैप्टन, वाइस कैप्टन, राइट? तो वो क्या करते हैं? वो लीड करते हैं. दे इंस्ट्रक्ट देयर टीम. वो अपने टीम का रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, उसको नेतृत्व करते हैं, राइट? ओके, कैप्टन्स होते हैं कि नहीं? किसी भी टीम के कैप्टन्स होते हैं, तो व्हाट डू? दे लीड द टीम. दे लीड द टीम. So this is lead. L-E-D. That is L-E-D. Lead. L-E-D. Okay? But it sounds L-E-D. Lead. Lead. Okay? So now I'm going to again.
लेड.
पहले से मैं आपको सब words दिखाती हूँ. ओके, सब वर्ड्स वापस से दिखाती हूँ.
L-A-D लेड.
No. This is wrong way you are reading, bacha. This is a very wrong way. This how we are supposed to read? L-A-D. Lad. Next word is leg. Leg. Next word is lead. 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 And the next word is log. Log.
लकड़ी दीदी.
Yes. Log. It's a part of a tree.
लॉग.
इसको हम कट करते हैं. It is called log. Next is lab. Lab. And the next is lead. Lead. Okay. Now children, I am going to now tag each one of you, right? And you will, any one of you, right? Any one of you I will tag, and only that child will read the sentence. Okay? There are the sight words which we have learned and the phonics word which we have learned today. Okay? So now, Lavanya Nikam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now the first sentence Lavanya will read. First sentence.
Sir.
No,
Lust.
it's not lust. It's not lust. It's I. Is.
Is for the lad.
Yes. Is it for the lad? Okay, question mark है ना यहाँ पे. This is a question mark. Is it for the lad? Okay, this is the sentence. Is it for the lad? Okay, now the next sentence. Mahi, read the next sentence.
Has cat is on the log.
It's his. Has नहीं है वो. His. H-I-S. His. His cat is on the log. Just now we learned this word. Log. Log. Abhiraj Kharat. Abhiraj Kharat. Third sentence. Third sentence. Yeah.
Cat
हाँ. बोलो and
dog.
मैम
मैं पढ़ूं.
एक मिनट wait
मैं पढ़ूं.
wait beta wait, let Abhiraj read first. The cat and dog are lad. Very good. The cat and dog are with lad. Yes. Now, who said just now? Who asked me? एक मिनट. Himanshu Maurya. What's the first sentence, Himanshu?
Are you in the lab?
Very good, Himanshu. Are you in the lab? Very good. Now,
मैं बोलूं?
कौन है? चैतन्य, मैंने आपको चांस दिया था ना. Each one of them should get a chance ना. Now, Aryan Hatkar. Aryan, tell me what is this? Aryan Hatkar.
What's not?
They. Huh? Log. They sat on the log. Okay. Very good, children. Now I want each one of you to write these sentences in your notebook. I am giving you 5 minutes. I am giving you all 5 minutes. Write these sentences in your notebook, and then we are going to learn something new today. Okay, afterwards. But now write these sentences. I am giving you all 5 minutes for doing this. Be on mute and write.
Didi,
Yes, tell me. Supposed to write, beta. You're supposed to write in your notebook. Write the sentences in your notebook. I'm not saying you writing.
दीदी डन लिखना है क्या नोटबुक में?
Sorry. You have to write, beta, in your notebook, okay? After you write, I'm going to take dictation. So,
Done, दीदी.
okay.
Done.
If you are done, just read the sentences.
Done.
Read the sentences. आपका लिख के हो गया होगा, then you should read the sentences on your own, beta. Try to read the sentences.
Ma'am, done. This for the left.
Okay, 1 more minute I am giving, and then we will do some practice. Okay, we will do some practice of the words which we have learned today.
नहीं हुआ दीदी
Okay. Now Didi has stopped sharing. Okay, Didi has stopped sharing. And don't worry, Didi will send this pictures on the group. Okay, for our homework. So you can do this afterwards also. No, now don't say done and all in the middle, beta. Okay. Now what we are going to do is what we are going to do is,
done
yes. Now all of you are ready with your books. Show me thumbs up if you all are ready with your books. Show me thumbs up if you are ready with your books. Okay. So now Didi is going to say a word. जो आज हमने new words सीखे हैं, new sound with new words. Okay, those words Didi is going to say, and you will write in your notebook. You will write in your notebook. Okay. So the first word is First word is, are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. Are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. Yes, I can see Himanshu, Anvit, Sundaram, Adarsh, Arohi. Very good. Good job. Now, the first word, huh? First word is lab. 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 हाँ रिजवान बोलो. बोलो रिजवान. Yes, yes, you have to write in the notebook. Yes, write in the notebook. Don't speak in the middle. Lab. परी लिखो. Lab. Write in your notebook. Lab. 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 Second word is lead. Lead. L-E-D. Lead. L-E-D. Lead. Lead. Good job, Pari. Shreyas, I didn't say lad. I said l-e-d. You have to see what दीदी के mouth को आपको देखना है. ल-e-d. Lead.
lab.
Okay. The next word is, third word is log. 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 Fourth word, l-a-d. Lad. L-a-d. Lad. Very good. I can see so many of you are responding so well on the chat box. I'm so happy to see that. L-a-d. Lad. Fifth word is l-e-d. Lid. L-e-d. Lid. L-e-d. L-e-d. Eed. E-d. Shlok, it is e-d. Yes, Mahi, good job. Afsa, good job. Anvit, good job. Himanshu, Nandan, Rizwan, good job. Great. Okay. So now I'm going to stop recording.